more life, more vision. It's Motivation Friday. And I'm your host, Joe Chege, back with your weekly dose of motivation. A wise man once told me that you can never pour from an empty cup. It's good to always take care of yourself. And so this Friday, I just want to remind you that it's important for you to make sure you're taking good care of yourself. Self-care is necessary because we are always on the grind. We are always striving to do the right things in life. If you spend so much time just putting in the work, making sure you're building your brand, you're doing all these things, but you don't spend some time with yourself, you don't spend some time to recharge, then you're definitely going to be drained. So this is just a simple secret. If you want to practice life balance, in as much as we want to put in the necessary work to be able to step into the next level, spend some time with yourself. You have to decompress. You have to make sure you're plugging in to the things that empower you. You're plugging into the things that actually lighten up your mood and make you feel at peace. And then once you do that, you are definitely ready to step into the ring and continue fighting this fight called life. All right? So just remember, you can never pour from an empty cup. Take some time, get some rest, recharge, and once you feel like you're fully packed to continue with the journey of entrepreneurship, of creativity, of becoming the best version of yourself, you have every single right to go out there and do what is necessary. All right? Like they always say, you have to love yourself before you love others. You have to also show up for yourself and hold yourself accountable in everything you do before you go out there and do that for other people. So I just want to remind you this Friday, take time to take care of yourself. All right, so just a reminder, you can never pour from an empty cup. You guys got this. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. See you next week. Peace and blessing.